Okay, hello there. Here we are again with a new lesson for today, and what we have here is can you guess what's this? This is a frying pan. This can be coins, stacks of coins. Of course, this is obviously a wheel, and this whatever, a lens of a camera or a speaker or something. And we have a watch. Okay, now how can we draw this? How can we draw? Okay, can we have a technique shortcut on how to do this? Of course, we have our movie worksheet. Okay, so worksheet again. Yes, and you can download the worksheets and try for yourself. Okay, now this is called the ellipse. Okay, ellipse, that it looks like a lips. Okay, maybe it's Ellie's lips or somebody else's lips, but it's ellipse. Okay, looks like a lips. Okay, so let's start with, of course, what do you call this? Yes, what do you call this? Guideline. This is our guide, so we can create a nice shape of ellipse. Okay, we do this, and then next, and then we put the dot, and then we go with this. Okay, so let's try this one. Okay, moving this to the side, let's try making our ellipse. Okay, let's have our forage. Okay. First and foremost again is the vertical line, center vertical line, always vertical line, and then we have the horizontal line, vertical line, horizontal line, which give us if we are in the center or not. Okay, and we can find also our center. Now once we have this, then we put two more at the bottom and at the top. So it's from like this to this, and we do like this. We add at the bottom and we add at the top. Okay, just near. Okay, not too wide. And then we put two more on the side. Okay, one on each side. So we get this one. And then we have the dot on both sides. Now before we do, I would like you to take note of this. Now do not forget, after the dot is we put a small letter C, a small letter C. So we put small letter C. Okay, put a small letter C there, letter C. If you don't have a small letter C, this is what will happen. So let me make one here. Okay, and if you don't put letter C, what will happen, it will be like this. So this is wrong. Okay, it's not, and sometimes you will do like this, so this is another wrong again. So in order to be safe is we put letter C and then move towards there. Okay, okay, not like this. Now make sure that these are very near to each other. Okay, now it's not like that. Okay, so this not like that, it's wrong, because it will look like this. So this is wrong. Okay, so what can we do is to find the small letter C, find the letter C there, and go there, there, hit there, and then do again reverse. So target this one there. Okay, so that's, it should look like this there. There. Okay, now let's try here this ellipse. Okay, let's try here ellipse. Of course, the vertical line is very important, and the horizontal line giving us our center, and the upper part. You can either do bottom first or top first, it's up to you, and then both ends. Be sure this and this are the same. So what we can do is, maybe you can use again your fingertip, and from that line to the tip we can add here, so it might fall somewhere here. Okay, now, and then we add our letter C, and be sure it's this. Okay, be patient with this because sometimes you don't get it first, then okay, so try again. Let's try again. So vertical line and then horizontal line. Make sure it's close, not far. Okay, not far, because if you make it far, then this one becomes wide. Okay, so it doesn't look nice. So make sure it's near but not too close. Yeah, it's like this, not too near because there's no more space there, but not too far because it will be too wide. Okay, so just enough for the look like this, like a flying saucer. Okay, I'm doing the pencil, sketch pencil, and then I'll do the final, which is safer for us, so we have less erasure. Okay, so it looks like a bullet on both sides. Okay, now let's apply. Okay, let's apply that here on our test paper. Okay, so ready for the test. Let's see what we can do. Okay, let's test it. Now let's put this a little bit higher. So again, larger than this one. So we have our center, so because we don't need, and we have our, and because it's big, so we go this way. So here is this one and this one. Okay, now we want it longer, so we can stop from here, and if we're not sure how to get that one, use our fingertips and the tip of the pencil and go this way, and it will end somewhere here. Okay, so just to mark where we will end. Okay, then of course our letter C on both sides, letter C like this, and then we draw and this way and this way. So okay, what do you think is good for this? Okay, so let's try. What can we do? A frying pan. That's frying pan. That's a frying pan. Now we will add one more line, so that would be the bottom of the frying pan, and then we go straight here. That straight here, then we go half of that. Okay, so okay, and then we'll have this. Oh, it's a what do you think it is? So let's try. So this is our final drawing, and then this way. Okay. So even if it's just a sketch and you get the right form, it already looks good. Okay, already looks good. You can impress your teacher already that you can draw, and of course that will give you a good grade. Okay, now we have to clean. Okay, now what frying pan doesn't have a handle? Okay, we don't have handle for, is it a frying pan? And go this way. Maybe we put the frying pan like this, going handle is going that way, so let me go back. Okay, we'll do it this way, so we'll go that way. Okay, so that would be our, and then put a little shadow there and a little shadow there. Okay, okay, and if you want to put the, what do you call this, you can put the egg there. Okay, so this is our egg on. Okay, so there you are. This is our ellipse. Started from ellipse, and then you can go something like this. Then you can draw anything. So from ellipse to this, or this. Okay, so you can put it this side. Okay, like the wheel, or this one. Okay, so that's all for today. I hope you learned something for today for exercise number 4, ellipse. Remember, everybody can draw. Bye bye.